a bad place.
Fuck, let me start again. Hello guys, welcome to the Reading 2018 video. This is a few days before Reading. I think it's the, what day is it?
22nd Wednesday.
22nd Wednesday, it's not the 22nd.
It is the 19th today. No, it's not, it's the, oh yes it is the 19th.
I don't care.
It's a new day, a new dawn.
Alright, so we're starting the video here. Log a few memories for my YouTube channel. Yeah, let's go. Oi! Currently waiting for Nathan and Ryan to pull up. It'll be about 10 minutes and then we'll head off to Reading first. Alright guys, so Ryan's just pulled up.
Oh, keys!
Yeah, we just packed the car. Right, bye Paul mate. Safe. Just pick up Cam now and then we should be on the Farton MY game.
MY1 and MY24.
Mate, look who's Farton turned up.
Come on this side, come on this side. Big things out here, strictly big things.
Like you have a bit of room there, Harrison.
There mate, there's a bit of room there mate. Rev off out. You can! Alright guys, so we just arrived at Reading a few hours ago actually. I forgot to vlog most of it. I'm currently just walking through the strip for the first time. I've got to say, very vibrant, you know what I'm saying? I look like a cunt, so that's it. Alright guys, so I'm going to close off for the night. I've had a little browse around. Chilling at the fire at the moment. I'll see you on Thursday, see tomorrow morning.
Oh, fucking hell.
What? Mate, come in.
Loves it.
Despacito part 4.
Wait, the number 2 one is, what does it do? It does, in the intro, what does it do in the intro?
It goes basically, day 2. As you can see, if you pan around the absolute fucking state of us. Look at the floor. Look at the floor. Girls everywhere, boys everywhere, cat heads everywhere. Fucking quality.
That's fucking Homer's downstairs.
Zach, mate.
Fucking hell.
Are you doing your man, mate? This geese is fart, mate. Bit of vlogging from Fred Dog.
Loves it, doesn't he? What is the most embarrassing views I've ever seen?
Right, you get this back if you promise to behave normally.
Right guys, that's the end of Thursday. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hey man, there.
Oh, hey man, there, store.
Yeah, you know that store. Who are you excited to see tomorrow?
Who's Lacoste?
Who's Big Shack, innit?
No, we've got 4-door with a 4-4.
3, 2, oh, stop. Wait, hang on, I'm shooting.
I'm shooting.
Go.
Wait. Get me high. Will it get you high?
Oh shit.
Brilliant.
So creamy. Fucking great.
He's got in fucking views from
Yeah,
the toilet,
just been to the toilet and it's fucking disgusting.
Absolute dirt.
I'ma paint on the face like I'm doodle bar. Jumping, that pussy like I scuba dive. Boy, don't test your luck, could be the day that you finna die. AK-47 round my arm like a shoulder pad.
Right guys, so we just gone to the actual arena on the Friday. It's about 12 o'clock, no, it's about 11 o'clock even. Yeah, we're just gonna have a little explore. Right guys, it's extremely windy at the moment. Music has started. Just gonna sing D Block Europe and Fecky. Yeah, we're just currently back at the tent. Just waiting for Post Malone to come on now. I'll probably leave a few minutes early so I can get up front.
See you, I'ma wet you, hit you and your nephew.
Odd observation.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, yeah. So happy, so happy. Back to my rolling, cause you know. I get those goosebumps every time you come around. It's way too much, way too much. I get those goosebumps every time.
How was that? Travis Scott, mate. Travis Scott, so fucking tired. Amazing. This is not water, this is sweat.
Good time, guys. Just about to get something to eat. It's a good time. I like this. Good.
You say, man?
I'm fucking cold.
Good night, mate.
My feet are cold.
Good night, mate.
It's been alright.
Brian, just mention what happened, cunt.
It's been alright.
Nah, it's been alright. No one needs to be said. You look so dodgy just wheeling that chair and man back. Oh my god. Ryan, chuck the piss. Put it down.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Do you reckon if we set a tent up without pull down? No, it's like fucking.
Wait. Where's the bottle of water I gave you? Oi, the sizzle. No, hello guys, so it is Saturday about 2 o'clock. Playboy Carter's just been cancelled. Yeah, we're going to head to the dance tent and see what's on there. Right guys, me and Nate just went into Rockhampton with Ben. Lost Ben, so now we're just by ourselves. About to go watch Sum 41 on the main stage. Come on. Hey Nate, how much you pay for that, boss?
7 big ones, you know.
7 big ones on a chips and some scummy piece of chicken.
Bro, who are we going to see? Pendulum. Wait, say no more.
25p for a canister. 25p. Oh, shit one.
So, Jack and Jones hype beast. We've just seen like Havana or something like that.
Death Havana.
Death of Havana, and we're getting close to fucking Pendulum.
With Tom, Ash, Biloy, Quentoy, Christian, Harrison, Loy, and Andoy.
Mate, we're fucking hammered and Pendulum's in 20 minutes.
Show you guys some clips.
Pendulum.
Let's go! So we've just seen Pendulum, probably the best thing I've ever seen. Right at the front, it was gnarly. Alright, we're back in the fucking shithole with the cans.
We're recovering.
Happy birthday to you! Alright guys, it's currently Sunday morning, maybe Sunday afternoon. I'm in Zach's tent. We'll head to the stage in a minute and then fun, do some bits and fun. It's ridiculously funny and rainy. Right guys, so just seen fucking Cretton Conan, got a little bit of Scar-Lord. Phone's about to die and I forgot my camera, so I'll probably catch up with you guys when I'm back at the tent.
Push the ass out the fucking way! Push him out the way!
How am I new leg, mate?
Fucking licked.
That's what I'm saying. Bye, lads. Bye, Andy.
Bye, guys.
Junkies in a Maybear. Tell your best on Herald. Buildings on my Kevlar.
You want, mate? Ketamine? Yeah. We don't have any ketamine.
Do you know anyone who owns?
So we'll just get yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ash's turn. Ash's turn. Everyone at once. 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 Everyone at once.
Go on, Freddie.
Boobies do.
All we see is boobies do.
Boobies, boobies do.
Hey, Bob. Oh my god.
Alright guys, so the weekend is all but over. Absolutely knackered. But yeah, as you can hear, I don't think I'm gonna get much sleep. So,
Do what you want, whatever sounds right to
alright, we're leaving now, final. Zach's dance, sweet on geese.
Cause it was Monday at work, fresh pig through the door, something was there.
What's coming? What do you want to say?
It's been a pleasure. Ready 2018. However, I can well and truly admit, you bet me over and fucked me in the arse.
I wonder how.
Thank you.
Sweet one.
But I want your groin and your tenderloin. Cause I've been trying to get you out of my head, rolling side to side in my king size bed. My dreams are so lonely, my life is so cold. When I cut you wide open, I feel so alone. Pepper, 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 you are such a noble pig. Pepper, 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 pepper.
Yes! Just pulled up on McDays. Get some food before we go.
I just started slamming on right there. Shoulder to the services. we drive like 1 minute, it's like no hard shoulder for 100 yards.
We sat in my car outside of the motorway.
Shit. Alright guys,
Yeah, that's your story for the weekend.
fucking filled up. Heading back to the dinner now.
Yeah, Freddie, you want some kit?